Regression to the mean, a concept introduced by Daniel Kahneman in Thinking, Fast and Slow, refers to the tendency for extreme observations or outcomes to move closer to the average over time. In other words, if a variable exhibits extreme values in one period, it is likely to exhibit less extreme values in subsequent periods. This occurs not because the underlying process has changed, but rather due to the inherent variability or randomness in the data. Kahneman illustrates regression to the mean with various examples, including sports performance. Athletes who achieve exceptional performance in one game or season are unlikely to sustain that level of performance consistently. Instead, their performance is likely to regress toward their average level of skill or ability over time. Academic achievement. Students who perform exceptionally well on a test are unlikely to maintain that level of performance consistently on subsequent tests. Similarly, students who perform poorly on a test are likely to improve their performance on subsequent tests, even without intervention. Financial markets. Investments that generate unusually high returns in one period may not continue to perform at the same level in subsequent periods. Similarly, investments that incur significant losses may recover to some extent over time. Overall, regression to the mean is a fundamental statistical concept that highlights the tendency for extreme observations to converge toward the average over time, and it is essential for interpreting data accurately and making informed decisions. Regression to the mean can sometimes create an illusion of causality, leading individuals to attribute changes to an intervention or treatment when they are actually due to random fluctuations. For example, if a sports team implements a new training regimen after a period of poor performance and subsequently experiences improved performance, observers may mistakenly attribute the improvement solely to the new regimen, ignoring the role of regression to the mean. In some cases, regression to the mean can lead to an apparent reversal of effects. For instance, if a medical treatment is administered to individuals with extreme symptoms, such as severe pain, it is possible that their symptoms will improve over time even without treatment due to regression to the mean. If the treatment is then withdrawn and symptoms worsen again, it may erroneously appear as though the treatment was effective when, in fact, the observed improvement was largely due to regression to the mean.